If you have dinner tonight and you're not sure how to do your eyes, I got you. This is actually one of my go-to night eye that I think it is totally sultry. So you ready to know how I did my eyes like this? Then watch till the end. Okay, the first thing that I want to do for this beautiful night makeup look, which is specifically focused on eye, is to take one of the darkest brown shades. And you know, since I do not have any sponge brush, I gotta use my finger. So let's go for that. I use the tip of my finger and I apply this dark shade to the inner and outer corner. In this way, I press it into my eyelid. So let's do that one more time. This is actually the foundation for depth, and it sets the stage for contrasting textures to follow. My recommendation is to use sponge brushes to do the packing easier and in a cleaner way. But I don't have a sponge brush right now, so I have no choice but using my finger. Next is, of course, cleaning this hand because I need my hands to be clean. Once the pigment is placed, blend it out to soften any harsh lines. You need to be very careful in blending. Do not leave any harsh lines. And as you can see, I drag this color towards upper and outer corners too. This is easy. You see, you just use your finger and just a dark shadow, and after blending, you see something amazing happened in your eyes. And this eye makeup is perfect for nights, and especially it's perfect for date nights. This is it. And you know why blending matters? Because the transition between dark and light appears natural. Also remember to take your time in blending, because if blending goes wrong, everything looks messed up. Next step is to smudge black gel pencil into the eyes. Not everywhere of it, I'll tell you where. Remember to apply it in the inner and outer corners only. This is the outer corner and this is the inner corner. This actually adds intensity and further defines the structure of your look. And remember, if you have small eyes like mine, avoid heavy application. This is it. Okay, now I take another brush which is somehow small, as you can see, and I blend this to my eyes. You see, I take this and I drag it here and I add it to my eyeshadow. And I also do the same thing with my inner corners too. You see, I take it and I add it to my eyeshadow. Actually, I'm dragging it to my eyeshadow. You know, we can clean it up later. After finishing the eyeshadow, we can clean it with concealer or your finger or whatever you feel okay with. Okay, now I want to show you the exciting part, which is adding highlighter, or let's say shimmery shadow. I choose this golden highlighter, and again I take it with my finger because it's easier and it has more pigment, so let's go for that. I just add it to the center, and I do this with the other side too. And you see, let's forget about this finger. I'm gonna use other fingers. I'm gonna use my cleaner fingers, and I blend these towards the inner, towards the inner and outer corner. My finger is still here. I'm gonna apply it to the lower lash line as well, but in the middle part. For lower lash line, it's easier to use brushes. After all, I try to blend the edges together. I don't want to create any lines. I don't want to make it like, you know, this color jumped to the other color. I want everything to be blend together. So this is what I do. So we're done with the eyeshadow part. Let's move to the false lashes part. Don't forget to apply mascara for your lower lash line. Don't you think that this eye look is sultry and is perfect for nighttime? I think it is perfect for nighttime. So I think that was easy, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.